Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Watla ke election je thama ye economic man sya ke yeng dorbar thawaan kari sya parliament kalakon bat lawan ru sa ke sarkar pedang ke bathamai hadelhi Henry ke jingkren halor ke jingjab bat ke jingrem hakani ke jilla Meghalaya kadang peteng kamtam na ke sengsan partai habati hi ye ki daw tenrai halor ke jingsharem no ukertong jong keseng United Democratic Party u Dr. Jemino Mawthoh u bolong ru ukertong ya monlang da barok ki sengsan partai ki badan ha ke senjok jong ke Meghalaya Democratic Alliance nakal yang presiden jong keseng United Democratic Alliance ulaong bakadaw hi jong ke jingrem Dr. Jemino Mawthoh na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kedai bet bagi pajba ki Tieng yo Narendra Modi bat ya keseng jong u ke Bharatiya Janata Party bat kumjo ya ke Citizenship Amendment Bill.
I was first elected as MLA in 1988. The first MP election that I faced was 1989. Since 1989, the real party never wins the MP election, and there are many reasons. Majority of the people feels that if we send a MP from the real party, with whom he will work in Delhi. So they have the feeling that if we elect the real party, those days he will work with the Congress party. So if he work with the Congress party, then why do we have to elect a real man? Better to elect direct a Congress. So that feeling among the people continues still today. That when we talk about the MP election, we should send a person from the national party. Last election or this election, the debate is whether we elect a candidate of the real party or national party. People say we elect the national party candidate. Because why? Like they argued before. Because if the MP is elected from the national party, he'll be having a friends or group of MPs in parliament. So that is main factor why the Congress won this MP election here. And we cannot deny also one factor of this lot of what you call propaganda and fear among the people against the BJP party, because they feel that the BJP party is against the interests of the minority. So this is also a major factor in this last election. And we feel to counter this propaganda of the Congress. And all these issues, in fact, were started by the Congress party itself. That the BJP is anti-party, anti-minority. The UDP is an ally of the BJP. If we elect the UDP will go with the BJP, and that way, So all these forces combined together made our candidate lost election. But don't forget, the MP election result has nothing to do with the state election. I tell you, this is a normal election. People fear of BJP and Modi. And that is the main factor, I tell you. I cannot control even my people. So, in the whole country, it is a Modi wave. But here in Khasi Giant Hills, people are in fact afraid of Modi. But we cannot convince people that Modi is not such a person whom we should be afraid of. I told you, since 1989, we have never win the MP election. So in fact, this election, we got more votes than other election in the past. It shows that people do have confidence in us, but we don't have the figures sufficient enough to win the election.
Sir, where the status says that are you part of NEDA or not part of NEDA?
If NEDA exists to continue, we are part of NEDA. Don't forget about that. But we don't have MP we cannot claim that we are part of NDA. The problem is that people don't understand what is SAB. We oppose SAB, Congress oppose SAB, but the reasons are different, the objectives are different. The Congress opposed the SAB just because the Muslim is left out from the purview of the SAB. Okay. But we oppose because why? We thought that if SAB is passed, it will encourage further migration to Northeast. So the way we oppose SAB and what the Congress opposed are different.